In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple video tracks in your Canva video editing project. So here I'm going to use this document. When you look at this document, right now at the top, it shows you untitled design. So here I can mention the particular video type and that text will be replaced. And there is a small favicon icon. It shows this project was the video editing project, not a design project. So when I do a design project or a bookwork, so based on that particular project category, the favicon icon automatically replace the existing one. So here I'm going to provide the name for this work was given the name which is video project 1, and when I press enter you can see it shows you video project 1, and this project is the video category. It too shows that particular category with that favicon icon. Now I want to add the multiple videos here in my timeline. So how do we add? As I told you previously, you have two ways to add that. Just come to this uploaded video and it shows you the uploaded video files here. So when I just drag and drop, it will be added as a separate track. You can say that it was added as a separate track. You can also just drag and drop, not over this particular program area, in this timeline area. So wherever you need, at the top of this media or here in this media track, you can just drop. So based on the duration of that video, that particular the project duration will be extended. You can see it shows you the preview and it has completely uploaded. You too have the play control here. You can manage it in the same way. If I want to add another video, I can add. You can see this the very first video, it has 22.6 seconds duration. I just drag that video. I can add wherever I want to add. I can add after this video or before this video. So I was added at first, it was added, I was already uploaded that, and you can have the view here. Now I want to add the third video. So I come to this place, just drag, and I want to place it here. So this is the one way you can continuously add that particular video files. And this is the aerial view, the top view of that, that water. And here we have the close-up view, and here we have, the water movement in the aerial view. So this is how we add the video files. I just delete this and delete this. This is how we add multiple video files. And we have another way also. So I already added one video here, and I have this option add media or blank. To do that, I just press plus icon. So after choosing plus icon, I have multiple options. First I have upload. So from the uploaded category, I can add the particular file, the video file. I too have the stock videos. So Canva itself have the elements. In elements, we have a lot of categories. We do have the videos. So if I want to add any video from the category, I can use that option, which is the stock video. And I can also add stock photos in the same way. And finally, you too have the blank option. So if I want to decide that particular, the duration of the video, the shot, I can add the blank first, and I can adjust the blank duration. So here by default, the duration is 5 seconds. So after adding that, I come to this duration. Here I can adjust the duration of the particular blank area. So this is how we can fix the duration of the particular blank area. Based on the need, we can adjust. Later we can replace that blank with video clip. Like I just drag and drop that particular clip here on the exactly over this particular blank frame. So it was fit with that particular area automatically. And if I want, I can adjust later. So this is how you can add multiple videos, and you can also add the video in a separate video track. For that, I just select that video, drag and drop over the separate layer. You can see that at the top of this media layer, I was releasing my mouse, and you can see that we have the separate layer, and based on the need, I can adjust where I need this. If I want to show the multi-view screen appearance, I can use in this way, or I want to completely replace, I can use this option, scale it, and I can place how do I want. So this is how we use those options according to our need. We can add any number of layers. Like I'm going to use another, video content here. I can add where I required. So this is in another layer. I just expand my timeline area. So now I have the 3 layers. You can see I have 3 layers. So based on the need, we can just drag and drop where we need. I just press Ctrl Z or Command Z. You cannot, add the elements above this, the extension of the duration. So I decide to add. So this is the maximum duration I can add. So in this way, you can add any number of layers inside Canva. You can simply, rescale the particular frame size as you require. If you want to show picture in picture feature or any other way, you can just simply do every work as you require. This is how you can add multiple tracks and multiple video files in a Canva timeline to complete your video editing project.